Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Salesforce Pricebooks for accurate quoting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Pricebooks in Salesforce, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Setup section. In the Quick Find box, type Pricebooks. Select Pricebooks from the drop-down menu. Look for the Pricebook Settings option in the menu. Once there, locate the checkbox labeled Enable Collaborative Forecasting. Tick the checkbox to enable it. Next, find the Default Pricebook section. Select your default pricebook from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and save your settings. Now, go to the Products tab from your main dashboard. In the Products section, you can add or edit products for your pricebook. Click on New Product to create a new item. Fill in the product details, including name and description. Specify the standard price for the product. After entering the details, save your new product record. Next, link the product to the appropriate pricebook. Navigate back to the Pricebooks page. Choose the pricebook you wish to associate. Click on Add Products. Select the products you want to include in this pricebook. Set the list price for each product as needed. After selecting, click on the Next button. Finally, review your selections and click Add Products to finalize. Now your pricebook is enabled and configured for accurate quoting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.